new British Vogue magazine freebie. Really excited I found this one. Myself a latte and I really felt like doing something creative today. Obviously I film and I edit, which technically do count as creative things, but they all have to do with screens. Like I don't really do anything physically creative anymore. When I was younger I loved painting and drawing, but I kind of felt like the past few times I've done that I would stress myself out so much that it wasn't even relaxing anymore because I would put so much pressure on myself. And when I did not create like an actual masterpiece, I would just be really disappointed, which I really feel like I need to get out of the mindset of, because I love doing those things and obviously I'm never going to get better at doing them if I don't keep practicing. But we're not doing that today. As you saw earlier, I went out and bought the new Vogue magazine. It came with this pouch, which I was really excited about. But I do get a subscription for Vogue, but they don't come with the free gifts, which is really annoying. So I have a duplicate magazine now, and I have a couple other duplicate Vogues from other free gifts, and also I've got a few like Harper's Bazaar and Elle magazine and stuff like that. So I thought, why not sit down and make a collage out of some things from the magazines. I went and bought myself a Pritt stick this morning. I have not owned one of these for many years, and I just thought this would be something fun and creative, and it doesn't need to look absolutely perfect. Annoyingly, I have a really big sketch pad somewhere, which is what I had planned on using, but I can't seem to find it, so all I have is a little A4 piece of card, but I'm sure it'll still work. These are the magazines that I have. I've got a couple more I can use if I don't find everything from here. And this is the Vogue makeup pouch, which I love. And I'm actually going on holiday in a couple of days, which I'll talk to you a bit about later, but I feel like this is gonna be perfect to put my makeup in. They had one in orange and blue as well, but I went for the pink. I'm obviously going to play Olivia Rodrigo's new album on vinyl while I'm making my collage. Okay, I've just finished cutting some photos up. So I have these ones that are all like square or rectangular, and they're gonna be the base, I think, of my collage. And then I've got some like little rounded kind of mini ones that I'll stick on top, and some words as well. I still have a few more magazines I could go through, but I feel like I probably have enough stuff. But I'm gonna place them on the card first before I actually glue them, because I probably will make some mistakes and move them about a bit. I have finished my collage. I actually quite like how it turned out. I'm like, what should I do with this? I feel like I need to like put it on my wall or something. I really enjoyed doing that too. It did take me quite a few hours, I'm not gonna lie. Probably shouldn't have taken me that long, but I feel like it all pulled together in the end. I've made myself another coffee. It's literally 4:30. It's not too late to have a coffee. I always say that caffeine doesn't really affect me, but I've been sleeping so badly recently. And I'm like, is it maybe the coffees I'm having at like 5 o'clock? But I need to do a bit of work now. I have an invoice I need to send to a brand. And then I want to try and finish editing a YouTube video. I'm not sure I'm gonna manage to finish editing it today, but as I said, I am going on holiday in a few days. So tomorrow I really want to just be able to spend it prepping for the holiday and organising. I mentioned in my last vlog, the one I'm editing right now, that also the boys are going crazy right now, that I am the worst person at packing for holidays. I overpack, I get so stressed, like I am not okay to be around if I'm packing for a holiday. So I wanted to try and be a bit more organised this year. This is like our big holiday. We go on a holiday with Danny's family every year. So this year we're going to Italy for a week. So I want to feel very prepared and very organised and know exactly what I'm wearing every single day. So I've been trying to make a plan on my notes app, but I feel like it's probably going to take me all day tomorrow to pack. If not longer than that, to be honest. I think on Thursday I'm going to go into town to get the last few bits, and I also might go charity shopping, so look forward to that. But I'm so excited to go on holiday. I haven't been away since last summer, which obviously I'm so grateful that I'm even able to go on holiday at all. But this is our only holiday this year until our honeymoon, which is really exciting. So I need to get all of the sun in that I possibly can, because the summer here is non-existent. We had that like one good week that I vlogged, and then it's just been like wet and grey since then. Actually, that's not true. I also have my hen do, but I have no idea where I'm going. So many exciting things. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. Still really pleased with my collage. I think I am gonna put it on my wall. I was thinking maybe like above my mirror next to that picture. I feel like that could look kind of nice. I used to always put stuff like this on my wall when I was younger, but I feel like now that I am technically an adult, I would always think that I couldn't put stuff like this up anymore. But why? It's cool and I like it. It's fun, makes me feel inspired. I managed to finish editing my video, which I'm really happy about. I think I'm gonna probably post it tomorrow. I'm kind of tempted to upload it tonight. I try and upload every Thursday, and today's only Tuesday, but I don't really like having fully done videos just sitting there. I don't know why, but we'll see. I'll have to decide. But I've gotten into my cozy clothes. Would you believe me if I said it's literally the middle of June and I've had to put my dressing gown on and a heater because it's so cold on the flat. But Danny's on his way back from work. He says he's bought us a nice dinner, so I'm excited to see what it is. But right now I'm gonna go on my laptop for a bit because I need to order a few things for our holiday because I'm very last minute. Hello, Zero. You want him to cuddle? Why is my Wi-Fi not working? Hello? How do you fix Wi-Fi? Is there an on button? It doesn't, I don't understand. I would be so screwed if I lived by myself because these are not jobs that I have the knowledge to fix. I'm holding the button down, it's not doing anything. Okay, well, I guess I just won't be doing any of those things I said I was gonna do.
Snacky bit. Because there's so much already, paprika crisps.
Yum. I was hoping for snacks, I'm hungry.
Yeah, I got that snack. Let's try the garlic bread. What do you think it's going to be now?
Like bolognese or something like that. Arrabbiata. Oh, yum. Yummy. That is such a good dinner. Cheeky. Oh my gosh. Wow. 10 out of 10.
You've done well.
0. Oh, that is cool.
40p though.
It's delicious.
This is so
No, it's not. Should we kiss in front of the camera so people know we're in love? Do you think you could gobble that all up?
Do you want to try it raw? Did you put it into, is this what it's meant to be?
Eat.
You went pretty even.
What are you laughing about? Okay, am I doing it?
Yep. That got washed today. That's disgusting. I have cat hair in my coffee. Thank you, boys. I made a TikTok yesterday of me going to get the Vogue pouch and it is at 500,000 views. How crazy. We've just come out to get a coffee, did my hair and it has been pouring, but we went to a place called Nova Drive. I was actually filming my testing out a new coffee shop, which I usually film on a Friday, but I've had to film it earlier this week because we're not going to be here on Friday. So I've just lied to TikTok.
No, you can't trust
But
anyone.
you guys will know that I'm a liar. But I just got a nice latte and they come in these really cool cans. It's really good. Okay, it is time for me to start packing. Really can't be bothered. I'm basically just gonna get everything out right now and put it on my bed and try and figure out like jewelry, stuff like that to go with each outfit. I still have a few things I need to get, so it's kind of stressing me out that like I don't have everything I need right now, so I can't see it all clearly in front of me, but we're just working with what we have. I really need to reorganize my wardrobe. This is not going very well. I feel like I've bought a lot of stuff for this holiday, but just none of the right things. So I'm kind of stuck. I don't love anything. So I'm working with old stuff in my wardrobe, but I don't really like those either. I don't know what to do. I'm struggling. I have a few outfits, like I know I'm gonna wear that one of the days. That's actually a vintage dress that used to be my mum's. But like this dress, for example, is really nice, but I've worn it the past like 3 holidays. And I'm like, I kind of wanted something new. But obviously that's kind of silly because it still is nice. Bought this dress on Vinted and I really like it, but it's really short and I just feel like I'm gonna be uncomfortable. This dress is kind of the same, that I've worn it so much that I'm really bored of it now. These are cover-ups and kind of like evening dresses for when we're just staying at the house, but I don't know if I need 3. This I bought last year, but I kind of don't know if I like it anymore as well, so also not sure I want to bring it. These are kind of random things, and so are these that I can't decide if I want to bring or not, so they're not really proper outfits. They're just like random tops and random skirts, so I feel like it's pointless to bring them. And then I bought this dress the other day, but it's long sleeved and it's gonna be like 37 degrees every day. I have a Vinted parcel I need to collect later, which is something for the holidays. I'm hoping that works out, but it's a pair of shorts and I don't know what top to wear with it. And then there's a dress I might buy in town tomorrow. I feel like I've already spent quite a lot of money, but obviously like I want nice outfits, but then at the same time, I'm kind of skint. I'm taking a break from packing because I just got a really exciting parcel. Somebody from the Body Shop emailed me the other day and asked if I wanted some products. So obviously I said yes. We hope you enjoy discovering some of our most iconic products. They've been crowned most loved for a good reason, so we can't wait to see you use them and hope they'll become part of your daily routine. Love the Body Shop. This is what we have. So we have this sheer body butter. I actually just ran out of my body lotion, so this is gonna be great. Let's smell it. That smells really good. Now we have ginger anti-dandruff shampoo. I've never tried any hair products from the Body Shop before. I used to love like their wee hand creams. What else did I used to get from the Body Shop? I haven't been for ages, but I used to love it when I was younger. Then the last thing we have is a hemp rescuing hand protector. I get such dry hands, so this is really useful. Oh, my hair's a bit of a mess. How exciting! Thanks so much, the Body Shop. Now, unfortunately, I have to get back to packing. It's not going well. Good morning. I look a bit of a mess. You have not seen me in the driver's seat for a while. I can in fact drive, but I just really never do. I have a car, but I share it with my brother, and I rarely get the chance to use it. But I'm in the car today, and I am driving over, sorry, I'm like getting hot flushes. I'm driving over to the south side to go charity shopping with Danny's brother's girlfriend. So I'm really looking forward to that. Quite scared to drive, but if you know much about Glasgow, it's so inconvenient to get to the south side from the West End. Like there's just not a whole lot of options, and the public transport takes like double the time as it does to drive. So I thought I would drive today, but not feeling too good about it. I literally passed my driver's test. What's it called? My driving test? My driving test. Am I okay? I literally passed my driving test when I was 17. So a long time ago, almost 10 years ago. Passed first time because I'm just too good. But I haven't really driven a whole lot the past few years because my brother gets the car most of the time. And the past few times I've been driving, I feel like it's not gone that well. Oh, I'm very late. So I'm quite scared, especially because I don't know the way. I have so many things to do today, I'm not gonna lie. Really didn't get much packing done yesterday, and then I couldn't sleep last night, and at like 2 in the morning, I did an online order of some clothes, but it's not gonna come until tomorrow. So it means that when I'm packing, I'm actually not gonna know what I'm bringing because I don't know if the stuff in the package is gonna work, and I'm actually hoping it doesn't because it's been kind of a lot of money. But we'll see what I find today. Maybe I'll end up finding great stuff and I'll just return the whole thing. Okay, I made it. I'm alive and well. The drive back was not so good. Feeling a bit anxious, and it's also pouring with rain. Just ignore that we're changing our bedding. Hi Zero, but this is the first thing I got from the charity shops today. It's just this long red dress. It's originally M&S and it was only £1, but I did just try it on and it's kind of unflattering. So it will not be joining me in Italy, unfortunately. I then picked up this necklace, thought it was kind of fun with like the kind of pebble at the bottom. And then the last thing I bought were these heels. These I think were also originally M&S and they were only £3. And I thought that they were fun. Probably won't bring them with me because I'm not sure I'll wear heels. I don't know, maybe I could. I don't have a lot of space to be honest, but I really like these. Kind of reminded me of Carrie Bradshaw, and I'm always looking out for things like this, fun shoes. This was my inspo for my nails, and I bought this colour that I found on Amazon, which wasn't the exact same, but I thought it was kind of close enough. But nails kind of come out red, which I'm kind of annoyed about. Like, they look fine, but it wasn't the colour that it says on the bottle. Dessert, we're having a homemade cookie, some mini eggs, and a glass of milk.